Hello everybody, time for another quick unboxing video. Another Hot Wheels car. This time a custom '01 Acura Integra GSR. Take a look at the front of the box before we open it. Alright. Don't really care about it, so I'm just going to dive right in. Alright, this one was a gift given to me by my good friend Dom. Thank you, Dom. Oh wow, the paint job is actually really nice. Let me get that zoomed in real quick. Oh, that's the best I can get it. Yeah, this is gonna get blurry just the closer I get. See if I can get it better without the light on. That's a bit worse. If I go brighter, it's gonna go in this way, maybe. There's some decals on the side I kind of want to get to it. HKS, raise. Can't read that bottom one. Nitto. Wheels aren't colored. It's got that sparkle though. Sorry, get that better zoomed. Once again, there's never really a lot of detail in the front. Seats are cool. Window glass all the way around. At least they got the back painted. Hot Wheels, Acura. Really cool. I don't know why, maybe it's just the reflection, I just can't get that nice and straightened out. Left-hand drive. Yeah, can't really see through the window. That's it. '01 Acura GSR. There we go. Alright. Pretty cool car. Wish I had one. Stock. Wouldn't do all this to it. Still pretty nice. Alright. Thank you for watching. I'll do some more unboxing videos.